marshmallow. That's what it looks like in the Stones in house. I made a torch out